Now let's just take this. Let's copy this because of time, and let me just replace it, and then I'll explain. So now this means we have importing the redirect from the export router, and whenever anyone comes on, we shall return a redirect. That person should be redirected by this href, and should you go to the auth, which is this one. After going to auth, you get into the welcome, and welcome is this one. This welcome, it is having index, right? It's like index, but here this name doesn't matter. You can call it whatever you want. But index, go home, get welcome. But what about layout here? What about name of this? This should not be indexed because this name, it is within the house. So if it is within the house, the TypeScript, this one, it is one which should be displayed right here. So we can give our direct, when someone comes here and try to get in the screen, you will be accessing welcome. Be accessing welcome like that, right? So if we can control S to save the changes, then come here, control S to save the changes. You can just come here and say comma. No, not comma. You can leave it the way it is. You can put it the index here or there. But the most important thing is to check whether it's still working after you are directed this out. Everything that comes to on to this out, I welcome. And this one you have changed name of the or, which is index, to not show handler. But now remember, we are no longer here, but we have already directed to this welcome, which also header shown is not shown, and we are following this welcome.txt file. So let's see whether we are going to run it good.